Are you tired of people knowing when you've read their messages? In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off read receipts on TikTok direct messages. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the TikTok app and then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap and select Settings and Privacy. Once you are on this page, tap where it says Privacy. Then scroll down a bit and tap where it says Direct Messages. So now at the bottom, you'll see an option called Read Status. People can see when you have read their messages. They will know when you read their messages only when both of you turn this on. So if you want to turn off read receipts on TikTok, simply toggle this off. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.